Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this wireless gain controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. See, this is a Bluetooth receiver of this gain controller. So we need to connect this receiver to Google TV streamer. Let me connect this receiver to this USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is the final setup. Here you can see the Bluetooth receiver. Next we need to pair this gain controller with this receiver. For that we need to press and hold this home button. Let me press and hold this home button. Done. Paired. Let me test. See, it's working. Let me set these settings. See, let me go back to home screen. See, so this way we can pair this wireless gain controller with Google TV streamer 4K device. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.